This video is about the muscle insertion of the ulna and its ligament. This is the part 5, part 5th, about the muscle insertion on ulna and its ligament. For the muscular attachment, firstly I will draw a diagram of the ulna. This is the radius. This is the ulna. Firstly, talk about the muscle insertion. This is our ulnar tuberosity. First muscle which is inserted on the ulna. This muscle is inserted on the ulnar tuberosity. This muscle is called brachialis. Brachialis muscle is inserted on the ulnar tuberosity. Now our second muscle, I will draw a posterior diagram of the ulna. This is the posterior diagram of the ulna. On the posterior view, this is a olecranon process. On the superior surface of the olecranon process, this is the superior surface. On the posterior side of the superior surface, there is the insertion of the muscle. This is the superior surface posterior view of the olecranon process. This muscle is inserted on the posterior view aspect of the superior surface of the olecranon process. This muscle is called triceps brachii. Triceps brachii is inserted on the superior surface of the posterior aspect of the olecranon process. Now this is our posterior border. This is the posterior border and medial surface from the posterior border and posterior to the radial notch, there is a insertion of the muscle. This muscle is called anconeus. This muscle is called anconeus. So there are three muscles: brachialis, triceps and anconeus. This is the muscular insertion. Now talk about the ligaments. Three muscles which is inserted on the ulna. First is brachialis, number second is triceps brachii, and number third is anconeus. Now talk about the ligament. First ligament which is attached with the ulna and radius on the upper end. This ligament is called quadrate ligament. This ligament is called quadrate ligament. Quadrate ligament. And below the quadrate ligament there is this is a cord. This cord is called oblique cord. This is oblique cord below the quadrate ligament, and below the oblique cord there is a membrane. This membrane is attached with the lateral border of the ulna and medial border of the radius. Both interosseous border will attach together through this interosseous membrane, and this interosseous membrane hold both bone together. This is the interosseous membrane. This interosseous membrane. So this is the muscle insertion. 3 muscles inserted on the its, and first one is quadrate ligament, and below the quadrate ligament there is oblique cord. This is oblique cord. This is oblique cord, and below the oblique cord there is interosseous membrane. Now after the interosseous membrane there is a capsular ligament. There is a capsular ligament which cover the bones. This ligament is capsular ligament. Capsular ligament. And below the capsular ligament there is a articular disc. There is a articular disc. This is a articular disc which is present between two bones. Two bones articulate with each other. This ligament is articular disc. This is also a ligament. And now our last ligament, which is inserted to the carpal's bone and from the stellate process of the ulna. This ligament is called ulnar collateral ligament. Ulnar collateral ligament. This is ulnar collateral ligament. This is all about the muscular insertion on the ulna and ligaments of the ulna which is attached to the radius also. This is all about the muscle insertion and the ligament part 5. Thank you.